Hey, what's up guys? So this is the reviewer A5 and I want to make a quick video on the RCA Cambio 10.1 and some of the features you will use for school or any other type of things that you can use it for. So basically this is a Windows / tablet. You can detach it and you can carry it around the way you would like. So if you hit the menu, the startup basically. So you have Words, it's the full version. PowerPoint, full version. Excel, full version. And OneNote is the full version too. So we're gonna start out with Microsoft Words. Microsoft Words opens up and it's just like Words on a laptop. Start new, you have your save ones right here. Okay. Excel open up just like a laptop. You can see it here. Start new, take your tour, everything exactly the same way. PowerPoint, open it up just like a laptop. It's the full version. You start new and you do what you got to do. And OneNote opens up just like a laptop. So basically all the features are just like a laptop. Just like a laptop. It works the same exact way. This, I had it for about 2 years. Absolutely love it. I haven't slowed down. I do labels and stuff like that. I worked on Microsoft Words too. And I never worked on the OneNote yet. But everything is just like a laptop. That's the pretty cool thing about this. And it detach, so you can carry it around with you, or you can put the keyboard on. That's the cool thing about it. Battery wise, you can say it lasts a bit. You know, if you're gonna stay on it for 6 hours, of course you gotta plug it. But otherwise, to do something simple and quick, it holds the battery pretty well. The Internet Explorer is just like your internet, the same exact way. It's not slow, it's pretty good. I can't complain. It does what I want. As you can see, it went pretty quick. So basically everything is just like your laptop. Everything. Well, if you have any question whatsoever, or you need a video to be done so you can understand anything, comment below. I'm always here. There's anything else, maps. I got my printer connected to it, HP Smart, so I do all my printing right off my tablet. I gotta add it again because I just got a new one. So everything is pretty much the same as a regular laptop. It's just a bit smaller. It has less gigabytes because you can add an SD, and it comes with, I think it's 16 or 32 is one of them. Let me check right now, just to be. Okay, it comes with 2 gig RAM. And your storage will be, after everything, this is about 32. Okay, so it comes with a 32, but you can expand it with a SD card, which it will slide. Sorry. Your SD card will slide in this slot right here. So this is where your SD card will slide. Everything's pretty nice. It runs smooth. As you can see, I've been playing with it while recording, and everything been quick. So I have not had any issue whatsoever. You got Paint 3D, you got your photos, you can download games, Roblox, whatever you would like. You also have a video editor, weather. It has everything that a laptop will need. You won't be able to play your Xbox games because it does have a Xbox console, so it doesn't run as well. So that's a feature that does not work that well, but you can try it for yourself. Maybe it does work for you. Also, it does come with a voice recorder. If you're looking for recording class or in college and stuff like that, it's up to you how you would like to do it. Otherwise, the tablet been awesome. I had no issue with it. And you can download anything and everything you want in the Microsoft Store. It is not an Android store. It is the Microsoft Store. So now, the only thing that's different is they're changing it from Microsoft 365. So I think they're going to end up charging sooner or later. Right now, I did have it for free, so hopefully it doesn't. But you can see it right here. They are changing it soon. And I bet you they're going to change on this laptop too, because they want their money. Otherwise, everything is the same thing. Same thing. If you're in college or in school, you get Microsoft 365 for free. All you got to do is sign in. Or not, you can buy it for $69.99 or $6.99. It's up to you. But otherwise, the tablet is amazing. I recommend it to buy if you're looking for something small and you would like to carry it around. It's very small. Shut it down. Restarting. Shut it down. It's very small. It's all scratched up. I had it for over 2 years and it still works very good. You have a camera right here. Very nice. It's not too heavy. Maybe approximately 5 pounds, maybe. Otherwise, the little tablet slash computer, it's very good. Well, if you have any question whatsoever, like and subscribe. Also, check out my giveaways. Thanks for watching. Have any question, comment below.